In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Nexo. Now, the first thing you want to do here on their platform, you want to click in the top right where it says buy crypto. And then from here, you'll have to first select the crypto you want. So as you can see here, you have a bunch of different ones under crypto. Just select something you would like to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy some Solana over here. I'm just going to click on Sol. And then from here, you'll be able to select how much you actually want to purchase in your currency. So here you can select either euros, USD, or GBP. Select the one you're using. I'm going to do USD right now. And let's say I want to buy 100 USD worth of Solana, and it's going to show me exactly how much Solana I can get for that amount of my currency. Now, when you do that, you can also select if you want a one-time purchase, or if you want it to be daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So it's going to be like a recurring investment or purchase. So again, that's up to you. And here you have these buttons which will allow you to basically just quickly preset the amounts up here so you don't actually have to type in manually. Now here again, receive, and you can of course still select whichever crypto you want. I'm going to leave it as Solana right now, and then where it says pay with, you can select your payment method. For me, only link a credit or debit card is available, as you can see, but for you it may be different in case you are in a different country to me. Here you can then click on continue. It's going to start loading over here, this box, and in here you have to put in your card details. So after, of course, this loads up, there we go. It's going to take your cardholder name, you have to put it in here, your card number, your expiration date, and then the CVV or CVC as well. Then press on link card over here. Your card is going to get confirmed and linked, and then you can just press continue over here, confirm your transaction, and of course, kind of the review of the transaction. And that way, you'll be able to go ahead and buy yourself some crypto over here on Nexo. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.